Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's exclusive episode, we delve into crafting this amazing spongy steamed cake. These delectable treats can be savored either as a delightful breakfast option or as a satisfying snack. The resulting cake has a remarkable softness and deliciousness that may surprise you, considering it is prepared using a steamer. Moreover, for individuals without access to an oven, this steamed cake presents a delightful alternative. Therefore, my friends, without further ado, let us embark on this delightful journey of creating this scrumptious cake together. Beat eggs and sugar in a medium-sized ball until the sugar dissolves completely. Add salt and mix thoroughly. Gradually pour in the milk, ensuring thorough mixing. Integrate the yeast into the mixture, ensuring a well-combined consistency. Incorporate the vanilla extract and blend thoroughly. Gradually add the flour in batches, mixing each addition thoroughly. Utilize a spatula to cut and fold the batter, ensuring proper incorporation. Introduce all and mix until well combined. Cover the ball and allow the mixture to rest for 30 minutes. After the resting period, gently stir the batter to achieve a smooth texture, then divide it into 3 separate portions. In 2 separate bowls, mix cocoa powder and the food coloring of your choice, leaving 1 portion plain. Ensure thorough mixing of the batter with cocoa powder and food coloring, then transfer it into a piping bag. Layer the 3 batters alternately, ensuring precise alignment for the desired design. Place the prepared batter into a boiling steamer, slightly slanting the lid to leave a gap. Steam over medium heat for 40 minutes, then turn off the heat and let it sit for an additional 5 minutes. Check the cake by inserting a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Allow it to cool for 15 to 30 minutes before serving, either warm or at room temperature. Dear friends, I extend my heartfelt gratitude for joining me, and I hope you thoroughly enjoyed indulging in my homemade steam cake. It offers a delightful array of flavors. These wholesome steam cake boast a soft texture and easy digestibility. Its vibrant hues and intricate designs render it perfect for commemorating various occasions. If you found this video enjoyable, please consider expressing your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to my channel for more delectable recipes. I eagerly anticipate returning soon with another creation. Until then, take care and farewell for now.